Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Ashley and this is episode 4 of my Lip Color of the Day series. Today I'm going to be featuring this Splash liquid lipstick and this is in the color Stylish. To get started, however, I'm going to line my lips first with the color Peachy. Alright, I'm going to come in with this, and I love these lipsticks. The wand kind of tapers, makes it a lot easier for application. I'm just going to wipe a little bit of it off. You can kind of see that better. It's like curved as well, so it'll go along the curve of your lips. So let's see what this one looks like. It's kind of a metallic rose. I love it. And you can use both sides of it. So for the top, I like to use the back side. For the bottom, I use that curve.
And the nice thing about the taper of this brush is that you can get right into the corner of your lip and it fits in there perfectly.
Okay, and there you have it. This is Stylish Splash liquid lipstick. Hope you guys liked it. We'll see you again next time.